For this video ay tungkol sa New Pag-ibig Contribution Year 2024. So, may bagong guidelines yung pag-ibig. Circular number 460. Guidelines on the Pag-ibig Funds implementation of increase in the maximum fund salary effective 2024. Contribution rate, fund salary. So 1,500 and below, 1% for employee, 2% for employer. So, bale, 1% ay 100, then 2% is 200 for employer. Then, over 1,500, 2% for employee, and 2% for employer. So, effective February 2024 onwards. So, for January, ito pa yung contribution. 100 for employee and 100 for employer. Then for 2024 February ay 200 for employee and 200 for employer. So, mas okay na rin nagtaas yung pag-ibig dahil savings naman din natin yan. Charot lang.